Build your system the way you want with the Milwaukee Packout racking shelves, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Milwaukee Packout revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on and off the job site. Packout is the first system providing true modularity, allowing you to store and transport boxes, organizers, tool bags, and more in any configuration that works for you. Packout racking can be mounted vertically or horizontally on walls or in vans using E-Track. These shelves hold up to 50 pounds of weight, storing tools and materials. With a metal reinforced frame and impact-resistant polymer construction, these shelves support your storage needs. The Packout racking shelves are designed to be the most versatile and durable to fit your needs in the shop or on the move. The Milwaukee Packout racking shelves, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.